How to loop through an array in JavaScript. Today we'll learn how to iterate array in JavaScript by printing every element in an array using two different types of for loops. First, we'll need an array, so let R equals an array with 1, 2, and 3. Now for the classic index for loop. For let I equals 0, I less than R dot length, I plus plus. Inside the loop, console.log R sub I. If we run this code, you'll see 1, 2, and 3 printed out. Next, we'll do a for of loop. This prints every item in the array. So, for const num of R console.log num. If we run this code, you'll see 1, 2, and 3 printed out. Do note, on this type of loop, because you only have access to the items and not the indices, a for of loop cannot modify the array. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.